Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Realm app is and how it's positioned. Realm is described on official app listings and its website as a homeowner-focused platform designed to help users plan renovations, track home value, and make data-driven property decisions. According to official descriptions, the app allows users to plan and customize renovation projects while receiving pricing estimates tailored to their location and design choices. It is also stated that users can connect with vetted contractors through the platform without needing to manually search or compare multiple providers. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app is positioned in the home management and renovation planning category, focusing on helping homeowners make smarter financial and improvement decisions. Official descriptions indicate that users can track their home's value in real time and receive updates based on changes in the market or property details. It is also described as offering neighborhood insights, showing renovation trends and pricing data from nearby homes to help users avoid overpaying. The platform includes tools for prioritizing projects based on budget and potential return on investment, using property-specific data and analytics. Some official materials mention access to financing insights and guidance on using home equity for renovations, although exact recommendations may vary by user situation. The app may also include advisor support and project planning assistance, which could guide users through renovation decisions, although this can depend on service availability and region. This app may be useful for homeowners who want structured guidance and data when planning renovations or managing property value. For users interested in combining home improvement planning with market insights and contractor connections, this could be an option. It is important to note that some features may require sharing property details or location data to generate accurate estimates, which is implied in official descriptions. Some aspects such as estimate accuracy or contractor experience consistency are not fully detailed, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Overall, based on official sources, the app is positioned as a renovation planning and home value intelligence tool rather than a general smart home or real estate listing app. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.